Stop starving yourself over a math equation. Tracking every single calorie spikes your stress hormones, and high cortisol biochemically signals your body to store stubborn belly fat instead of burning it. You don't need a calorie app to lean out your midsection. You just need to trick your biology. Here's exactly how to force your body into an automatic fat-burning state without ever counting numbers again. The first step is a strategy called volume eating. Your stomach doesn't have a calculator. It relies on mechanical stretch receptors to signal your brain when you are full. Highly processed foods take up almost no physical space, leaving you biologically starving even after a heavy meal. By aggressively loading your plate with high-volume, water-rich foods like leafy greens, berries, and cruciferous vegetables, you physically stretch the stomach wall. This triggers a massive release of leptin, your fullness hormone, naturally shutting down your appetite before you can overeat. Next, you must leverage the thermic effect of food. Not all calories are processed equally by your metabolism. When you consume carbohydrates or fats, your body expends almost zero energy to break them down. Protein, however, forces your metabolic furnace to work overtime. In fact, up to 30% of the calories you consume from lean protein are burned off just during the digestion process alone. By prioritizing foods like chicken, fish, eggs, or tofu, you essentially boost your daily metabolic rate without actually reducing the amount of food you get to eat. Finally, you have to master your insulin switch. Visceral fat, the dangerous fat stored deep inside your abdomen, is highly sensitive to the hormone insulin. Every time you consume refined sugars or simple carbs, your blood sugar spikes, releasing a rush of insulin that completely locks your body out of its fat-burning pathways. To bypass this without tracking apps, simply ensure every carbohydrate you eat is bound to dietary fiber. Fiber slows down glucose absorption, keeps your insulin stable, and allows your body to stay in a fat-burning state all day long. Forget the apps. Make half your plate vegetables, eat your protein first, and eliminate liquid calories. Your biology will handle the deficit for you automatically. If you want to stop fighting your biology and start seeing real results, hit that subscribe button right now and drop a comment below with the one habit you're changing today. Do you need text-on-screen overlay ideas to match this new, high-energy pace?